Purezidenti Museveni ahaire y'omuganda ogu obwabire nabugana abasiraamu ab'entaasya nkye aha mukoro gukurirwa aha Millennium Park Rugogo Kampala. Omwaka 2024 Purezidenti Museveni akaraganisa abakazi abasiraamu kwari kwija kubaho obuhumbi 2 kwonka Hajat Hadija Hussein Namyaro orukurra ofisi ya NRM National Chairman akamwisya ngu sente zininche tiziri kwija kumara nuko President Museveni kuzongera zikahika obuhumbi 20.
Naye sente muzikozese okukola ebyobugaga sikwewola kukola ebyokulya obuli. Mwewole mukole ebizaala ebiva mu amagoba agamwe siga business naye agago. Bogula embuzi nezaala n'ogula ente nezaala n'osimba emwanyi n'onoga awo oba weyongera omusaayi mu bulamu bwo. So therefore I know that we do charity work in Ramadan, and our elder Mzee Kamwenge is very active in that, but we should work to eliminate poverty.
President Museveni hona nagira ngu niheija kubaho n'empinda hinduka mu program ya PDM aro kugira ngo abashija bino mukazarengera hari omwe nabo kuganyirwamu.
Twakyogerako PDM temuli magoba naye nakyogerako n'abasheke nembagamba nti zikyenda bawano mu PDM kujuliza esente zireme okusabulukuka. Inflation twagala nti esente ezibadde zigula ekikopo kya kahwa omwaka guno n'omwaka ogujja oba okyafuna kufuna ekikopo kya kahwa omuzungu kyayita inflation, esente okusabulukuka obudde bwe buyitawo. Kati ebigambo ebibiri okutereka n'okwewola biri mu Salam Bank.
Aha mukoro ngo gumwe President Museveni atongwize Tamin General Insurance eri aha musingi gw'edini y'obusiraamu kandi egi niyo yabireyo kubanza kutongozebwa mu Uganda.
Twagenda okulaba nga rate y'abantu abatannafunamu yenene nga buli akatale we kajja nga bavunaana President Museveni nga bavunaana gavumenti embi. Juzi wano ebintu embuyaga n'enkuba we yajja, they still blamed the government. We had to think about the solution, a solution that can accommodate the poor or the less privileged. That's when we got in touch with Tamini General Insurance.
And here we are 2 years after launching the first insurance company rooted in Islamic finance. Your Excellency, the bank and insurance are the twin pillar of any modern economy, and Salam Bank, by providing the ethical financing, is always incomplete without having an ethical protection. That's the reason why we have launched this Islamic insurance.
Your Excellency, allow me inform you that on November 20th, 2025, the Insurance Regulatory Authority of Uganda made a milestone by opening a new chapter in the financial and indeed the social fabric of our nation. We licensed the first Islamic insurance company, Tamini General Insurance Company, which operates on the Sharia compliant principles.
Sheikh Muhammad Yunus Kamoga orukura bataburicho muihanga asimire President Museveni ab'Umuganda muhango ogwatira hantunguka y'obusiraamu muihanga.
Abasiraamu tukwebaza ku bino byetuuseeko mu myaka 40 ekisooka twatandikira ku primary katuli university ky'omusiraamu ayinza okusoma okuva mu primary mpaka university nga tagenze bwiru. Tukwebaza nnyo.
President Museveni hona na bwasimirwa abo kwinegeza enjiri y'okukundana omuihanga gasha kwa Abdul Karim Sengendo.